Hello and welcome to ShowMeAcademy.com. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use a second window in Microsoft Internet Explorer 7. One of the key features of Internet Explorer now is the tab browsing function, which allows you to open multiple pages all within a single browser window. This solves the problem that we had years ago where every time a new page popped up, that was often opened up in a brand new browser window, and you could have a proliferation of windows across your screen. However, now with the ability to open all these pages in multiple tabs, there are still some times when you might actually want to open pages in multiple browser windows. In other words, you might want to have two or more complete browser sessions open in completely different windows on your screen. And we're going to show you the couple of quick ways that you can make that happen. First of all, anytime you're on a web page at any address, and I'll just navigate away from Google to a different page just to illustrate. Here I've pulled up a books, and from here I have the ability to open a complete new browser session at the exact same address by hitting Control-N. In other words, I'm going to hold down the Control key, and then while I'm still holding down the Control key, I'm going to hit the N key. That's N as in Nancy. So I'm going to hit Control-N. And when I do that now, I actually have two separate browser sessions open going to the exact same page. To illustrate that, I'll take this one and drag it down a little bit. And you'll see that I have a window here and I have a window here going to the exact same page. And of course, there's no limit to the number of times you can do that. You can open 3 at one time if you want. It doesn't matter. But this allows you to maintain multiple browser sessions that might be open to the exact same address, or you can navigate to different addresses now in each different browser session. I'm going to close those out. And now I'm going to show you a different method as well. Anytime that you have a hyperlink that you're going to click on to move to a different page on the web, rather than clicking on that and moving to that same hyperlink within this browser window, you have the option to make it open in its own browser window. For example, if I go here to this link, actually let me change that. Let me go to the home page to Google. I'm going to go to this link, Google News, and I'm going to right click on it. And you'll notice that it opens up this context menu. And remember, in a previous tutorial, if you were going through the tab browsing option, you see that you have the option here to open this in a brand new tab. But again, sometimes maybe I don't want things in different tabs. Maybe I want them in a brand new window. So I have this option here to open in new window. And when I do that, that basically has the effect that we had with the Control-N function, where it opens this now in its own window. So if I move this window, you'll see in the background, I still have my main Google window open. That's set at my Google homepage. But then I also have a separate browser session open, which is leading to Google News. And again, you can do this as many times as you want. I could go to Google Images and again click Open in New Window. And now I have 3 sessions going all at the same time. That concludes this tutorial, and thank you for using ShowMeAcademy.com.